Repairing old rotten wood window frames, furniture, wooden sleepers, and more is quick and simple with the 3C Sealants Wood Repair System. First of all, it's very important to remove all the old rotten or decayed wood prior to applying the resin. You can use a multitude of tools, from a wood scraper to a chisel. Once it's all removed, make sure you brush away any dust and debris before applying the 3C Wood Repair Primer. It's a two-component formula that reinforces the wood fiber and prevents moisture penetration. Now your surface is primed, you can start mixing your 3C Wood Repair resin. Whether it's our 2-part or 2-in-1 resin, they're both gunned onto a mixing board and mixed together until you get one even color and consistency. Start applying the mixed resin onto the damaged substrate, making sure you apply enough to fill the gap. For large deep repairs, the gap can be filled with loose pieces of wood, so that less resin is used. We'd always recommend that you overfill the area, as it can be easily sanded down before paint or stain is applied. 3C Wood Repair is a flexible compound based on modified epoxy, perfect for filling and repairing holes, cracks, gaps, and wood rot. With a good working time of around 15 to 20 minutes, and full cure taking place after approximately 8 hours, it can be drilled, sanded, nailed, and/or planed, followed by a coating such as varnish, stain, or paint to finish. It fills the gap in the market for a wood repair resin, for those who require a high-quality resin repair system, whether it be a small DIY repair at home or a large-scale window restoration project. 3C Wood Repair is an affordable and reliable product that everyone should have in their toolbox armory. For smaller repairs, up to 10 mm, 3C Smooth Finish is the perfect option for quick fine surface repairs in wood, stone, and metal. It's a super fast curing, 2-in-1 epoxy resin filler that can be easily shaped and sanded in 30 minutes, then painted over in 1 hour. For all the information about the 3C Sealants Wood Repair System, visit our website, www.3c-sealants.co.uk, where you can find FAQs, application images, and some great video demonstrations from our brand ambassador, Mr. DIY himself, Craig Phillips. Like and subscribe to keep up to date with our future videos.